Have you ever thought about to create backgrounds, but maybe you're not the best, or maybe you don't have enough time for doing it? For the video of today, I want to share with you something that I found super interesting this time. Is about the AI. Yes, because maybe you want to make some backgrounds for your 3D animations, or maybe you want to settle in some background, but maybe you don't have enough time for making all the modeling or sketching or any type of resource that you use for creating an environment. And this AI is like insane, because it's like just a few words, like maybe DALL-E works or Midjourney. It's the same concept. You put a concept, you put keywords in this AI, and this AI is going to transform these words in 360 image that you can use for creating your environment. So what we're going to do now, we are going to search for locate labs, and we're going to click here, and then you have this website with this beautiful landscape in the behind that you can interact with it. Actually, I tried it in my own phone, and it's super nice because as long as you move around, the 360 image is going to do the same. That is super nice. But well, we are here, and you can see different posts from Twitter from people that use this website, and it was a good experience. But well, straight to the point. We are now in the interface that we can now put the words that we need for creating our background. So I wanted to make something related with forest, something more like related with fantasy, and that's what I choose to do, something that had deep forest, maybe some orange color in the scene, put cabins, and those were the words that I actually write. And you can see different results that I got here in the artificial intelligence, in the AI. I like the result, but at the end I choose this one that I consider that it was the best for the example that I'm going to show you what I did to use this result that I get from the AI to Blender, and how could be useful for you for make more fresh your work. But the dark side, at least for me and the people that struggle with the internet speed, that took me ages to generate, because I had the bad luck that the system was a bit busy and it took a while. NANI? My internet is not the best, and I tried. I need to stop. Okay guys, so we are going to create a sphere now, and what we're going to do next is delete the half. So we are going to have like a dome, fix this point of the middle, because it's a way that we can fix the shape. Then we are going to create a plane, because this is the basis of the texture, and add the texture to the sphere. You can just add Ctrl+T here, so you can adjust the mapping. After adding the materials, you feel free to correct the axis of the map. Now you need to check if it's a good heat for what you need, and also you're going to do the same for the plane. But remember that you need to check if you have the plane like sphere, because it's the way you can modify in circle shape. Then I add some hair to simulate the grass, and then I add some stones and some lights. But I forgot to record them. I'm sorry, guys. But basically, after you put in the textures to the dome and on the plane, you can feel free to put any 3D model that you would like to add. So this is the final result, guys. I hope that you like how it looks. Feel free to experiment because there's a lot of options for creating with this tool. I hope that you liked the video, guys. Remember, stay creative.